All right, on number 6, we were given negative 8b plus 2 plus 6b equals negative 3b plus 7. Excuse me. And we had to solve the equation. So, before you solve an equation, you always want to simplify each side separately. On the left, negative 8b and positive 6b are like terms because they are both b's. So I can add negative 8 plus 6. They're opposite signs, so I'm going to subtract and keep the bigger sign. I get negative 2b, and then I'm going to bring down the plus 2. It's not a like term, but it still needs to be in the problem. And on the right side, negative 3b and 7 are not like terms, so we can't combine them. So now I need to get all of my letters on one side and all of my numbers on the other side. To do this, whatever I do to one side of the equal sign, I have to do to the other. So I'm going to go ahead and do minus 2 on both sides. That way, on the left, 2 minus 2 is 0, and it cancels out. On the right, 7 minus 2 would be 5. Positive 5. Now, since I chose to bring my numbers on the right side, I need to bring my letters on the left side. So I'm going to bring this entire term to the left side. I'm not going to divide by 3 because I'm not trying to separate the 3 from the b. I'm bringing this entire thing over on the other side. By adding 3b on both sides, negative 2b plus 3b gives me 1b. And negative 3b plus 3b is 0, so it cancels out. And then I just have 5. So I'm left with 1b equals 5. 1b is the same as b, so my final answer is b equals 5. I can check my work by plugging it in for the b in the problem. Negative 8 parentheses 5 plus 2 plus 6 parentheses 5 equals negative 3 parentheses 5 plus 7. Negative 8 times 5 would be negative 40 plus 2. 6 times 5 would be 30. Negative 3 times 5 would be negative 15 plus 7. So on the right or on the left side, I would get negative 40 plus 2 is negative 42, or is negative, 38 plus 30 equals, and negative 15 plus 7, opposite signs, subtract, keep the bigger symbol. On the left, negative 38 plus 30 is negative 8 as well. And since I end up with a true statement, I know that b equals 5 is true. It checks.